How are we improving mission readiness, and how are we making sure that we are taking care of our warfighter? The way we do that is through the different solutions that we provide. So the R.O.P.E solution is our reverse engineering solution. So where there is no technical data package for our customers to be able to execute on, we, through reverse engineering, create a technical data package. And then we have 4 ways in order to be able to solve that supply issue. We do that through recertifying, through remanufacturing, through repair, and replication. So there is 4 ways in order for us to be able to provide a supply solution to our customers' expensive and mission-critical assets. So by doing this, we have a direct line, we have a direct correlation to how we are improving readiness. Because every time there are degraders in the fleet because there is a parts issue, because parts are not available, because parts are not on time, it actually degrades the fleet from being able to be at full capacity. So by the work that we do, there is a direct correlation between the problems that we are solving and improving readiness to our customers. And this is why our customers love us. And this is how we are earning the preference, platform by platform, program by program, by really solving their customer issues and showing the correlation between how we are solving those problems and how we are improving readiness, or how we are extending the mission readiness of that asset. We are actually taking care of and supporting readiness. And this is a very critical, very important mission. And I can't think of something that is more purposeful than being able to do that.